Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 10 English words that people often misuse. But instead of simply memorizing definitions, I'll explain each word through real-life situations and easy examples so you can remember them forever. So, grab a notebook if you're serious about improving your English, and let's begin. 1. Literally. Let's start with a word you hear everywhere, literally. Imagine your friend watches a funny movie and says, "I literally died laughing." Now, did they actually die? Of course not. The word literally means something happened exactly as you describe it, without exaggeration. For example, the bottle literally fell off the table and broke into pieces. That really happened. So the next time you feel like saying, "I literally exploded with excitement," remember that literally should only be used when something is actually true. 2. Jealous. Now let's talk about jealous. Suppose your best friend gets promoted at work, buys a new car, and goes on an amazing holiday. You think, "I wish I had all of that." Many people immediately say, "I'm jealous." But jealousy usually means you're afraid of losing something you already have. For example, a child may feel jealous when their parents give more attention to another sibling. Understanding this difference helps you express yourself more accurately and sound like a confident English speaker. 3. Envious. Now here's the word that's often confused with jealous, envious. Envy means wanting something that belongs to someone else. Imagine your classmate scores full marks in an exam. You wish you had achieved the same result. That's envy. Example: I'm envious of her beautiful handwriting. Being envious doesn't always mean you're a bad person. It simply means you admire something another person has and wish you had it too. 4. Historic. Have you ever heard someone describe an important event as historic? Not every event from the past is historic. A historic event is one that changes history. The first moon landing. The invention of the internet. India winning the Cricket World Cup. These are historic moments because they had a lasting impact on the world. Whenever something changes history forever, you can proudly call it historic. 5. Historical. Now let's look at historical. Historical simply means something belongs to history. Reading about ancient Rome is studying historical information. Visiting an old fort is visiting a historical place. So remember this easy trick. Historic makes history. Historical belongs to history. One small difference, but a very important one. 6. Continually. Imagine your younger brother keeps knocking on your bedroom door every 10 minutes. Knock. Stop. Knock again. Stop. This action happens repeatedly with breaks. That's what continually means. Example: the phone rang continually throughout the meeting. There were pauses, but it kept happening again and again. 7. Continuously. Now imagine a waterfall. Does it stop every few seconds? No. The water keeps flowing without interruption. That's continuously. Example: the machine operated continuously for 24 hours. Whenever something happens without stopping, continuously is the perfect word. 8. Compliment. Everyone enjoys receiving a compliment. Imagine you're wearing a new shirt and someone says, "You look fantastic today." That is a compliment. A compliment is simply praise or a kind remark. Here's another example. My teacher complimented me on my presentation. Giving genuine compliments is a wonderful way to make people feel appreciated. 9. Compliment. Now let's move to another word that sounds almost the same, compliment. Imagine you're eating pizza with a cold drink. The drink makes the meal even better. You can say, "The drink complements the pizza perfectly." Complement means something completes or improves something else. Colors can complement each other. Skills can complement each other. Good teamwork happens when people complement one another. 10. Affect. Let's finish today's lesson with one of the most confusing words in English, affect. Imagine you planned a picnic for Sunday. Everything is ready. But suddenly, it starts raining heavily. The rain changes your plan. In this case, the rain affected your picnic. Affect usually means to influence or change something. Example: lack of sleep can affect your health. Remember this simple idea. If something changes another thing, it usually affects it. Excellent work! You've just learned 10 English words that many learners use incorrectly. Don't worry if you can't remember everything immediately. Language improves through repetition and practice. Try using today's words in your own sentences. The more you use them, the more naturally they'll become part of your vocabulary. In the next part, we'll continue with 10 more commonly misunderstood English words that will make your English even stronger. If you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.